Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from MSC Kota Baru. We would like to present our second assignment, OSHA Management Topic 5 Suggestion. My name is Fatih Syara binti Omran, 208-201-907-0004.
And my name is Nurafika binti Roslin. My entry number 208-20-200-2006.
My name is Pipop Sirirat Anak Laki Prawit. My ID number is 208-20-200-931.
My name is Siti Mariam binti Mama Ramli. My ID number 208-2020-090046.
And lastly is my name, Nur Elina Shamimi binti Hassan, and my ID number is 208-20-200-90048. So we are going to our members. So we are going to introduction. Please.
Okay, for introduction, in this second assignment, we should continue the survey based on the first assignment that we find five problems that risk in the study area was first kitchen located at Jalan Datuk Lundang, Kota Baru, Kelantan. However, the second assignment is that we should get a five suggestion related to the five problem made in the previous assignment. Therefore, the five suggestion that need to be explained should differentiate the five problem, and those different we will find and take a picture example so that a suggestion given can be referring to the first kitchen shop to change their shop. In our opinion, if the first kitchen shop agree with the suggestion given by us, then the good effect that the store which refuse is that every store change or renovate, a new store can facilitate the management and employment in the store. In addition, the store must find measure to the solve the problem that arise in order at attract more customer into its store. Next. Okay, the next is the first suggestion is on the food preparation section of the preparation table and cupboard found in the store. This is because we found that the arrangement of items on the table, such as various sauce juice, food packaging box, and other items that can be used in the process of preparing food to customer. Therefore, each item should be arranged in good condition and easy to take when wanted to use. Besides, in the kitchen, worker must arrange kitchen and utensil neatly after using the kitchen utensil, so that the next using is easily sound by worker and do not have to look everywhere. Suggestion for us, store owner should provide sub-table and enclosed cabinet to store kitchen utensils. For the last suggestion for me is that the owner or employee use provide or more suitable storing food packaging box instead of storing in a dark store without lights or dark environment can cause growth various bacteria which can affect food hygiene and health of customer. That's all for me. Next.
Okay, next is strategic place. Places not strategic. For our suggestion for Fest Kitchen is the Fest Kitchen should find the strategic place to what we say that is simple to customer to find their shop. For example, you can see in this picture, but we can see that as such a place is very suitable place for shopper owner to open shop. That area because that area is close with school, college, and town. So that, in my opinion, that I can see that place was a very good place for person to open their shop. Second is find some special place. For example, as you can see in the second picture, in Payanserai, that's a restaurant that have a large place that customer can find that customer can park their car to go to the Payanserai, so that Fest Kitchen need to find some large place, or maybe is just to find a special place that customer can park and go to the Fest Kitchen. Okay, next.
Next is hygiene. First, food in the right place to avoid risk of food from contamination. Do not provide food or preparation food or drink in floor near a toilet or on the edge of a drain. In addition, fried food should be stored in a safe place to prevent food from being eaten by flies or soil or dirt. Fried foods can be stored in a food warmer before preparing for customer. The use of food heater is able to reduce the risk of food from being contaminated. Next.
Okay, next is for the problem of food preparations. First is cleaning and sanitation in food premise and food requirement. So for this for these solutions, the owner must have to their own awareness on having their own restaurant in cleaning and the services of the restaurants, which is a good conditions to give a great satisfactions to customer, which is when they come into their own restaurant. As the factor because of included of safety, cleanliness, restaurants, and also for the food hygiene. So for the second is a suitable and large storage capacity with a convenience located near the kitchens. This problem is because I suggest that for the owner, finding some places that near with a suitable places and in large capacity in one places that can staff of the movement path in a one way. Because we have to understand that for the concept of the FOFI, which is first in first out, it is to mention that when the new storage come in, for the new stock which is behind the existing stock, and the old stock we have to use it, and then the new one use the bag. So so the for the food is not wastable. So as the places of the storage, we have to understand that the conditions of storage conditions is must be in the dark and dry in order to control temperatures and food from the spoiling, preventing for the food spoil for contaminations. As to understand that, because the if the places is exposed to wet places and danger, it will affect to the food, which is to the food contaminations. Okay, next.
For the safety, a fuse box and a safety box within a building help keep electrical affairs and people safe. Evidently, both have a different function for what they protect. However, both do focus and healthy. A fuse box is what protect electrical affairs and wiring from big limit from electrical speakers and chargers. On the other hand, a safety box protects people from certain and general electrical accidents and hazards. The first and most important step is to determine if any product, gradient, materials, production, equipment, tools, or other sensitive areas impacted by the rule. So the material in that area must be placed on hold and provide corrective action taken. Most essential good those materials to be destroyed. It is also important to determine when the leak may have start. Next. In the conclusion, the quality of food and service is not the only factor in the development of a restaurant business. In recent years, innovation has greatly changed the food service industry. Therefore, now in order to maintain high profit, it is important to keep abstract of the latest innovation in the restaurant business. We can say with absolute certainty that among several restaurants on the same level, visitors will choose one where, for example, free Wi-Fi is available. That's all for me. Thank you.
So that's all from us. Thank you. And lastly, we want to say that we are from MSU CKB student. Thank you.